Yes, my people, you know, it's a harvesting time, you know. Sharp up the knife, you harvest some callaloo. Look at this tark. I want to show you how I go and see them speed. Healthy callaloo, you know. Massive. So you don't know. Sunday morning, I carry around callaloo, give my neighbors them so they can have a breakfast. Yeah, man. So I do it, farm, and give people same way. Just so do it in Jamaica up in the backyard, you know. Nothing like the country life. Wow. What can we pay for callaloo for days? Yeah, man, see, eh? Big up for yourself, you know, when I watch them yard and abroad, you know. Yes, my beautiful people, see it there? Yeah, man, see the callaloo them there? Beautiful. Some red star callaloo. So it's very important to bud your callaloo if you want to have the right growth of your callaloo. Man, that's like giving a sneak peek on the callaloo. Very healthy, organic way. Tomato. Yeah, man, so them here the seed. Normally I bud out the seed to get the right growth of my callaloo. So indicate where you're watching from. I'm on up in the backyard, early morning settings. Yeah, man, I don't want any seed right now, so I'll remove all the seeds. Yeah, man, all about the country life and the farm life. I can't see the growth of the callaloo them, man. Just do some farm of budding. Yeah, man, so this is the purple callaloo. Some pumpkin right here. So I'll show you how I go on the pumpkin field. We have every little thing in the backyard, man, we can't talk about. Yeah, man, you see the mint here pretty? Must see oregano, them call them mint here. Same time we have a scotchy pepper. Yeah, man, see the scotch bodied pepper there. Yeah, man, after the storm, they work on the pepper them, you know. Showing you some size pumpkin at the ground here. Some hefty pumpkin. Look at this size pumpkin, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, that's one of them. One see it there. Man, backyard farming them, you know. Showing everything that go on in the backyard, you know. Look at these pumpkins. See them hole here? They made a cutter hole. So normally what I use soap powder mixed with some water and I pour it right into the hole. Yeah man, so that's how I get rid of the cutter there, alright? I'm gonna plant some pumpkin. That's the farming life, you know. We have some okra right here. I'm gonna farm up the land, man, and show you how I go on early morning settings. There's some cabbage. Nothing cannot be the backyard farming. Sweet peppers. I'm gonna look on them tomato here again. Put on some nice blossom. Yeah man, so I go on there. Cabbage. Let's farm something in the backyard with people. You see it straight go back. Pumpkin. Nah, man, we weed out the pumpkin them, you know. Okay, yeah, country life, you know, the fall in the background I make nice, you know.